This isn't just about buying a house. This is about weaponizing real estate for your future self. Everyone's focused on now, let's focus on then. GTA 6 trailer drop, and everyone's talking about fantasy worlds. But you know what's crazier than a 5-star police chase in Vice City? Are we drinking bong water again? It's you not realizing that this first home, it's actually the key to your second life. By the way, I'm John Hudson. You can call me Huddy. I've been doing this stuff since 1999, so I'm in my 26th year. We'll just call me experienced. Most people buy a home because they're tired of paying rent. But let me show you the real reason why your first home matters. And it ain't a kitchen off of Pinterest either. It's how you get to the next level. It's the launch pad into your personal finance journey. You're in the game of money management and real estate investing. This is the cash out safety net when shit hits the fan. Let me tell you about a guy that I know. I think he bought a house 5 or 6 years ago for about $180,000. What he was able to do was take advantage of some equity to pay off some of his credit cards, because we know the cost of living has increased, and get his daughter started in trade school. It's things like that that you can do with a starter home strategy to build that equity in case something happens. That is a safety net, that's an investment, it's all sorts of things, and it's yours. This ain't someday, this is right freaking now, dude. Starter homes are still out there. Suburbs of a suburbs, zip code shift. If you buy a $250,000 house and give it 5 years at an average appreciation rate of 4.5%, you're probably gonna net out about $60,000 when you sell that property, which means you can move on to the next one with that money. That's how people continue to level up. To win at GTA, they start you off with what? A car and a gun? If you want to win at life, get yourself a $1,500 or $1,800 mortgage payment and build that dream. As a bonus tip, a lot of people are talking about retirement and are they going to be able to make it? An asset that isn't considered nearly enough is your home. Most people say, well, I need a place to live. What am I gonna do? You've been paying on this home forever, raising kids, supporting your family, doing all sorts of stuff. So what do you do with it at the end besides die and give it to your kids? Most people that are reaching the retirement age are continuing to have to work because they haven't saved enough. What they're not doing is looking at their home. The problem is, where are they gonna live? Most seniors are sitting on a 401k and they don't even realize it. It's called a reverse mortgage. And what that means is your house can send you checks every single month to retire on. But that's another video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. Otherwise, we'll see you at the next video.